Nobody in sight soon as the dirt spread. First leg of your lap ends at the church steps. Foot chained to the railing, I can't reverse, yet alone even move. You popping out your bird chest, and there you go, acting casual, like relationships and struggle ain't compatible. Now what the fuck, puppy love, don't turn me into an animal. I'm going backwards like a lateral.
One time.
For you and yours, for me and mine, it'll be normal again when stars realign. That's you and me combined. I couldn't read the signs. If all we need is time, why do I even try to live and keep my feelings suppressed? The outsiders all love what you reveal in that dress, but if anything more, you'll keep it locked in the vault. Just a slug in the mud, getting top of some salt. You gon' fry, I call out your bluff, that ends the masquerade. It gets me down on my luck to see you haven't changed. Walking in circles like ducks, but this the last parade. So make your way out the muck, then hit the grass and stay. Fuck new beginnings, no time to negotiate. I'm gonna bring up all the issues that I know you hate. Shove your problems in your face so you know your place. Show the blade to your shoulder blade. How the hell you keep pulling me back? My physical and mental both under attack, but you help me at my worst and I love you for that. So I would never take away what you done for the pack. It's just something about you keeps pulling me back. My physical and mental both under attack, but you help me at my worst and I love you for that. So I would never take away what you done for the pack.